Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enhance your photo quality on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my InShot application, and first of all, we need to go to the photo section right here, and then I'm going to tap on new and choose the photo you want to enhance the quality. And I'm just going to choose photo from my download folder. Okay, wait. Okay, and for example, I'm going to enhance the quality of this photo. I'm going to choose it. And to enhance the photo quality, we can apply HDR effect to our photo. We can go to the effect and then go to the stylized effect, this one, and choose the HDR effect. Okay, and increase the value. Okay, now it's done, and click on the check mark, and this is the result. If you're still not satisfied, you can export this photo first, and then you can create new project again on InShot. Then you can import the photo you have just saved, and you can apply the HDR effect one more time. Go to effect and go to the stylize, and then select the HDR and increase the value. Okay, and you're going to export it to your device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to enhance photo quality using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.